Ferrum Advisory Services is proud to introduce Yay Games, the first gaming marketplace for gamers, traders and farmers. Yay Games combines DeFi, gaming and NFTs to pioneer a revolutionary new concept: game mining, allowing users to earn crypto while they play. Yay believes in a unified blockchain gaming sector and are delivering a unified platform to assemble multiple games in one spot. It's also packed with innovative incentive systems and loyalty programs to encourage holding. The best part? It's all powered by the multi-purpose Yay utility token. Get ready for a revolution in DeFi gaming. Get ready for Yay Games.